But welcome. Meet Me at the Bell Tower has been here since November 2011 when we decided that we were going to lead by example to stop violence in our community. Now, of course, today we welcome to the Bell Tower our friends from United Way of Winnipeg's GenNext Council. Welcome. Alright, so everyone here, this is Adam from United Way of Winnipeg's GenNext Council. Let's give him a little bit of encouragement here. All of our friends from the Bear Clan Patrol who are here, welcome Bear Clan.
I think it's a great experience for everyone involved in GenNext to be able to interact with the community and meet new people and learn new things that are going on in the city. And these are the types of events that we want to take part of as GenNext, as a group, to be involved.
It was a wonderful first experience here and I would definitely come back again.
Meetings, and that's when I invited them here, and now I guess I have to be stuck with them forever. So this is how it goes.